Just want to show you this one. I just want to show you this account here. I just want to show you this account here. It is now on 770. And this is just, I just want to show you especially the history. And the reason I just want to show you this is that everyone there, you have to understand at the end of this video that there is no robot or any strategy in this world globally that guarantees 100% wins. And I can just guarantee you and give you a good example that even God created details that created us, created you and me, but also we die. So if you get that concept in your mind, you will understand that trading is all about win and loss. That's why you see in everywhere that there's PL, profit and loss, PL. So you have to understand that when you are looking for a trading robot, you have to understand that. So let me dive in this one. Let me just go like that one. 3 months history, but actually it is not 3 months, it's just a day. Like today is now the time has passed like that one. And so let me tell you something about the kind of people who just ask questions that does this robot ever lose? You really just laugh. Is it 100% win rate? There is no robot that is 100% win, or any strategy in this world that is just 100% win rate. Can it blow an account? Yes, it can. Why not? If you don't manage it, you don't understand how to work out with it, it can. Yeah. At first, it sounds like a smart question, yeah, but actually, it reveals something deeper. It just reverse fear of lose, this person, fear of a uncertainty, and the biggest one, fear of taking responsibility. Because in trading and in any real business, there is no such kind of as 100% win. I've never seen that. So the way you see this one, this account was just deposits of 797, it was just 770, like the way you see it, like this one. And then we started trading by using the flip demo on HFT. We take some trades, buy on the kind of, you see, with the lot size. It just a good go at first. It just go good. It just take a trade. We get some win trades, and then it goes and gets some losses too. And it's just still the robot. It gets inside the trades. No mean that every trade should be must be in profit, but we just looking for the overall. So this is the part. This is where you see the drawdown and how you manage it. How you just calculate the risk and everything. You go. It depends on how you're going risk, high risk you're going. You're going high risk or small risk, or just going high risk or low risk, depending on your trading style. And it just goes. Then it comes again. So this time it just was a buy. It was just because it was just like we were just doing like a scalping. A small time frame. It goes. Then the market changes. With this buy, the market changes a little bit. Then it take a sell. So in sales we go in profit, in profit, in profit, in profit. Then there's a time again. It comes even take a buy, but things goes not it's not well. Then when I take a buy, it just go in profit. A sell, it goes in profit, in loss deeper, and then it just goes take a sell, then sell. It is in profit. All this is just flip them on robot, and I just showing you this history. So think about it. Think about like a shop owner doesn't profit every single day. a farmer doesn't get a perfect harvest every session, every season. Even the best athletes lose games. So why should trading be different? Now here is where mindset separates winners from beginners, or winners from losers, beginners from all those people, the negative mindsets that think negatively, 100%. They're negative always, just thinking about no reality. So beginner focus, a beginner who the negative minds, and every that person, that a kind of that person, they just focus. Hey, can I win every trade? Who are you? Who are you? And professional traders just always just focus on, can I be profitable over time? Or how much I want to lose for a day, for a week, for according to my capital, and I'm targeting to win how much. That's the real thing that you have to plan inside. Once you lose it, you lose it, and you have to enjoy the loss too. When you get it, you get it. That's the real game. Let me give you a simple example. Like a simple example, while we just still crawling, you see the profit is like 21, 21, 20. It is just going like that. All these things do not go just like randomly. Let me just give you an example. Like imagine you take 10 trades, you lose 4, you win 6. If your wins are bigger than your losses, you are still in profit. It's like the way you see here. The losses here, it is 16, then 2, 2, 2. And then here is 19, 20, 21, 21, 20, 20. So, hey, did you get the point? If you can get the point, you can just understand what it is, what is just going on, yeah? You can get the point. It's just 20, 21, then 12. That's it. They start doubting the system. So this is when the like see profit. But someone with the wrong mindset will look at 4 losses. You see, oh, it is just making losses. It is making losses. Yes, losses are part of trades. Losses and panic. They start doubting the system. They change setting. They overtrade, and that's exactly how account get blown and blown and blown and blown and blown and blown. Not because of the robot, but it is because of psychology and how you want to trade and everything inside there, uh, and everything. So now look at this. You can just see clearly there are losses here, there is real trades here, but what matters is out that the account is still profit and withdrawal is made. That's the thing that is just, that's the thing is just, that's the real thing that's needed. In overall, you have to think about to make it. So there is some people who just think, oh, I can just I have 100. Then you see someone just making out 10K, 20K, 50K in profit. If I get 100 US dollars, then can't I make this thing to be happening? Oh my God, let me just contact them. So you are trading in your mind, in your picture. You are trading a picture. You're not trading a real thing. So if you get your account, go to a drawdown, you say, oh my God, this thing is not fair. That's so crazy. Yeah, fuck it. You're just being crazy. Those are the things are happening in trading, and it's a time. There is a time things go bad. Any time things can go bad, but doesn't mean that the bot or the system doesn't think about who are you, what are you thinking about. Oh, it cannot do that. So account is just still profitable, withdrawals made. That's the difference between gambling and strategy. So if you are still looking for a system that never lose, my friend, if you are still looking for a system that never lose, or can just hey shit, hey, you are not ready for trading, my friend. It is better you take that money, just go and buy some cows and just sell them, uh, or some, you can just do another business maybe. But in FX, you have to risk, and risk what you can afford to lose. That's why it's just a business of risking. So those who just survives there are those people who just have passions. They understand it's losing. They enjoy every moment, every journey. There's like you have grown up. You have a dad. The dad gone. You have a child. Maybe you get a child, and the child died. Uh, can you just give up that? You cannot just do that thing so as you can get another one with your girlfriend. Shit, you have to do it. So maybe your mama's gone. Do you say that? Like, you can, I don't have mom, but you there. But if you are ready to learn discipline, passion, and real strategy, then you are already high ahead of 90% of people, because trading is about psychology, my friend. 100%, more than 80% trading is just about psychology. So you can just see how this trade goes. We just wins. Also the trade goes there. Okay, see there, the trade just changes there. We see here, we go buy, and then the trades at a certain time changes again. Then it goes at a certain point, we see buy, it's a profit. Then it comes in lows. Oh, we say, oh, your lows. Then we take a buy. It just like a buy, we go on a profit. Then it changes again, and we go in a sell. A sell, then a sell goes in some losses. Then we get it inside, and then we do a transfer and we draw some money. So in overall, we make something it is. So that's how this HFT robot do for us in this 5th of 5 2026, and it's done in this account. That's how the trading is, and you have to be real. Reality is the thing. The truth is everything in your life. If you ignore that, you say oh, you say hi, you say oh, you say ho, but Forex doesn't know whoa, aha. Anything is you. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you're interested with the robot or anything, that make sure to subscribe. And if you're interested in anything, just go and just join our channel there. In description, links are in there. And don't switch if you are just going our if you just want to trade with our broker, the link is in the description. And if you're interested with the robot too, also you are welcome to just and take a robot and do something that is. So trading is just about your mind, and the strategy is just helping you to execute, to make you just understand some details a little bit more better than you or the master of management. You are the master to manage everything just going on there, and you have to trade what you can afford to lose. That is trading. That is business. Thank you for watching. My name is Joe, and bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.